Hello everyone, Assalamu Walaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to add border text box in Google Sheets. So get ready started. At first, open your Google Sheets file. Now, I will show that the add border text box in Google Sheets. Now going to the insert menu option. Now click on the drawing option. Then first create a text box. This text box is the fill color, then I choose color, and the add border is from the border weight option. Then click on the 4px option. Now click on the save and close option. That's it. Then you show the add border text box in Google Sheets. I hope to enjoy the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching my video.